Dear Vishwapurnima students, thank you so much for your yesterday's Guru Purnima wishes to me and Vishwapurnima Yoga Center. Yesterday until 11:30 p.m. many students are celebrated Guru Purnima in our home. So abundance of love to you, all of you, for your wishes. Next month, August month, we are going to start one abundance program. Name is Money. Weekly once, evening 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. Sometimes you are not able to attend. Recordings are available for lifetime. This is an abundance money magnet program. In this program, we deliver many secrets of health, wealth, prosperity to bring exponential growth, double your income, double your salary, or what you want for your life. It covers all the aspects of life. We will train you. Many experts related to money, they will join in this program. They will train you. What you want is available by this program. Now offer is going on. Kindly make use of this offer. Thank you so much.